Here we are at the first video of our onboarding journey. In this module, we will focus on the overview of the organization, showing you how to navigate the dashboard of your account and exploring the main sections and functionalities available. Let's get started. After logging in with your administrator credentials, you will be immediately directed to your account overview page. This dashboard provides a clear and organized view of the resources and activities available. In the remaining box on the right, you will see the number of assessments that can still be delivered, the number of PDF reports that can be generated, both in the user version and the HR professional version, access to SmartCoach, an individual self-development pathway that offers personalized suggestions, including books, movies, songs, TED Talks, podcasts, biographies, and short online courses. Team performance reports. The table behind me shows, month by month, all the activities carried out since the activation of your account. By clicking on the orange numbers in the table, for example, in the assessments column, you can quickly access specific details of the delivered activities, viewing user information, first and last name, and the titles of the completed assessments, along with the exact dates and times of completion.